Hi, my name is Emily Major. I'm a junior here at the University of Kentucky. I'm majoring in agricultural biotechnology and I have a minor in neuroscience and psychology. So I first met my research mentor when he came and talked to an introductory agricultural biotechnology class, and he was talking about his research and how he had spent some time in the industry doing drug design and development, and that just seemed really interesting to me at the time. So I emailed him and we set up a time outside of class and we talked about his research, talked to him about the possibility of getting involved in his lab and what that might look like. And the next semester I had the opportunity to start working on my research. So the spring semester of my freshman year, it was the first time I had ever been in a research lab, and at that point I had really only had, introductory biology and general chemistry, and so I was just learning a lot. That's one of my favorite things about working in Dr. Bradley's lab is he gave me the freedom and the ability to make mistakes, and I never felt like I was messing up a huge experiment, but I was always learning from my mistakes, and I found that to be very constructive. So the spring semester we were fortunate enough to put in a grant for Bucks for Brains, and he kind of coached me through the process of what writing a proposal looks like. That's not something that I'd ever done or a professor had ever really talked about in the classroom setting, so he really mentored me through that process, and we were very fortunate to get the Bucks for Brains grant awarded to our lab. My research mentor found out about the Kentucky EPSCOR Research Fellowship, and he was like, I think that this is a great fit for you. I think you should consider applying for it. And that was a grant even bigger than the Bucks for Brains program in the sense that it will allow me to travel to a national conference and present my research. So as in the dark as I was about applying for the Bucks for Brains program, I was really in the dark about applying for the EPSCOR program. So he acted as a mentor through the whole process and really gave me the opportunity to learn how to write proposals, and gave me the opportunity to use a grant that I had previously written in one of my classes, and we looked through it and really edited it and helped mold that for the fellowship that I applied for. So I think undergraduate research is a really great opportunity for students to get involved on campus, because UK can seem like a big place, especially if you're a science major, particularly biology or chemistry. Those are really big programs. So connecting with a mentor can really make UK seem like a smaller place. It's also a great opportunity to meet someone who can help guide and mentor you through the process of going through college. I really encourage you guys to reach out and talk to Evie Russell or Bessie Garant in the Office of Undergraduate Research. They're located in Funkhauser 211, and they're always really willing to talk to students about their interest in research, and they enjoy pairing people up with mentors who they feel like will fit them well. And so whether you're interested in talking to them about getting a mentor or writing a proposal for undergraduate research and staying on campus during the summer, they're a great resource. I highly encourage you to talk to them. So my advice for getting involved in undergraduate research is really to find somebody who is interested in being a mentor, not just a principal investigator on a research project. The difference, I think, is a mentor really wants to see you grow and see you pursue what you're interested in, whether that's in a social science or in a hard science, and really increase your interest in whatever it is that you're studying, whatever topic that is. I would suggest starting out by emailing them and kind of introducing yourself, maybe why you're interested in the topic, and then go in and sit down and meet with them and see if there's somebody that you feel like you could spend a good portion of your time with, because undergraduate research is intensive and it does take time out of your usual week. So find somebody that you feel like you can relate to, somebody that's not just interested in having you work all the time, but is also interested in seeing you grow as a student.